over here smirking.
Oh my god! This is fucking retarded.
No.
What the hell?
Come on, let's end.
You know, no fucking way.
Do
That's
that
not
again.
even fucking... No,
That
that's
has
not...
to be real.
Oh, bullshit.
That was real, Mom.
He got his nuts out and they fell.
Oh my god, like you're gonna sit there and cut your fucking dick off and your goddamn balls off. I mean, come on. Turn that fucker off.